Can I ask you a question? Are you renting AI or are you actually building something you own? Because here's what I see. Most people have a ChatGPT subscription, maybe Claude, a few plugins, and a handful of prompts saved somewhere they'll never find again. Every time they sit down to use AI, they're starting over. If that sounds familiar, I want to invite you to something we're doing on Tuesday, August 11th at 11 a.m. called the Claude Masterclass. This isn't a webinar where you sit there and watch me click buttons. This is a live, hands-on build day. For one full day, we're going to build your own private AI operating system together. By the time we're done, you'll have your own server. Your AI will know who you are, how you work, and how your business operates, so you're not repeating yourself every time you open a new chat. We'll connect it to your email, your calendar, and your CRM. You'll build your own AI-powered web app without writing code, and you'll even create an AI monitoring agent that keeps an eye on the things that matter to you and notifies you automatically. That's 9 practical AI systems built in one day, and when you leave, you actually own them. That's the difference. You're not renting another AI tool. You're building an AI system that works for your business. Now, you might be thinking, Joe, I'm not technical. Good, you don't have to be. If you can buy a domain and follow directions, you can do this. We even have a live setup clinic before the masterclass, so everyone starts with the right foundation. So, if you're ready to stop experimenting with AI and start building something that's actually yours, click the link below and apply. Seats are limited because we build everything together live.